So wood doors in general are going to constantly swell and shrink with moisture. They're going to be a high maintenance product, and you're going to get very little insulation value out of a slab of wood. When your door moves, it shrinks and it shifts, your weather stripping around the door becomes less effective. Fiberglass is a great option because fiberglass looks like wood. You can get the wood grain, it'll stain up very similar to wood. You don't have to worry about the maintenance, constant maintenance of finish. On a well-protected fiberglass door is probably good for 17 years at least. You're not going to have the moisture absorption into fiberglass, and you're going to get R value. So the actual door itself will have insulation value. Fiberglass and even steel now come in textured steel to give the look of wood grain, and they can typically match any style of wood grain you would get on a traditional wood door. So you could get oak wood grain, walnut, birch, just about any wood grain you can find on a true wood door. You can actually match with a fiberglass, and now even most steel doors. We sell Albany out of Chicago. It's a very good, very reputable door manufacturer. They sell mostly fiberglass doors and steel doors. Provia is probably one of the best known door manufacturers in the country. For this area of the country, fiberglass or insulated steel doors, just for this area of the country. Again, we have the very humid weather most of the year, and then we have the very dry winters. Also, our ground shifts a lot. So when you're choosing an entry door, and because of the energy loss potential from entry doors, you want something that's going to be highly energy efficient and not have to worry about air infiltration. When it comes to a slab, we're talking about the actual moving part of the door that's hinged or slides. When it comes to entry doors, you can do the full glass. Within that, there are options for leaded glass, obscured glass, a gridded clear glass, stained glass. You can do half glass doors with all those same glass options. You can do what they call quarter glass. Then your actual door slabs, one that's really popular around here would probably be a 6-panel. A lot of the builders here in Kansas City use 6-panel doors. You have 2 panels. You have a single panel. We have 2-panel Craftsman style doors. Really the best thing to do is to contact Energy Pro and have a customer bring out a catalog so that you can look at the hundreds of different styles of doors that you can choose for your project.